Alright, so got all the bushes out, finally. Little bush pulling kit from Daytona. Come in handy. And I also had one bit of a issue. And a power washer. Pulled the last bush out. There they are. And put some of these ones in. Well, bushes are in and it's come in handy. Alright, let's do it. Now, diff's in, thanks to that thing. Makes about a 10-minute job. Beautiful. Yeah. One new CV, another new CV to put in, and bolt everything else back up. Obviously, second-hand TR660 gearbox, done about 10,000 Ks supposedly. We'll find out when we put it in, I guess. And about 6-7 weeks away from the engine. 416 cubes, just low compression to start off with, and hopefully put a blower on it afterwards. Well, 5-year warranty, 10,000 Ks. We'll see. Alright, update with the Clubby. We'll go through the list. So, a T56 Magnum box, too expensive. So I've got a second-hand TRC 660, junction starters bought, CV shaft, left and right hand new, power steering reservoir, just black, so it looks cool. Get a pulley kit, update on the engine, so just doing a LS3 which came out of it, just stroke her to a 416 cube. So 5-6 weeks away now. Other things, they refurb the wheels, find some front quarter indicators, spare key programs, got like one dent to remove. Front end could do with a bit of an overhaul. Diff, optional, and done all the diff pushes. So, a quick look. Engine's out, gearbox is out, drive shaft is out, back end diff is all back in, right fan bushes, new CVs, ready to go. All the rims are some sort of, someone's tried to touch them up previously. A bit ugly. And paint's coming off around here. Yeah. I'll crack it down myself. Can't be any worse than what it is. And that's about it for the Clubby. Most parts are here, so reservoir, cabin filter, exhaust manifolds, reduction starter. Yeah, that's about it. Today's little job. Got a Colorado headlights, average at best. So try these bad boys out. Full LED kit, park lights, low beam, high beam. Show you how. Give you a before and after. Low beam, high beam. You can hardly even light up this garage. So we'll do a before and after and see what they look like. Right, let's see what difference it is. Done the left hand side, was it right? Right one, it's quite yellow. Low beam, high beam. Not a massive difference, but take it for a drive tonight, see how it does. Lights are low beam, high beam. To be honest, I wouldn't say they're $320 worth of excitement, but a little bit brighter. Well, let's review for that. I'll see you next time.